ang self-imposed deadline po namin ay bago magtapos po o bago po tayo umabot sa congressional break, which is March. So we will try to squeeze in as much arguments as we can.
Kailangan kasi Justice Sereno, meron naman siyang dissenting opinion.
Well, it speaks for itself, pero baka kasi in direct questioning, there might be other items that she had held in the dissent that may be disclosed in the impeachment trial. How can it be hearsay? It is written by Justice Sereno, and it is a document that is well, I think what everybody, even the Justice Sereno pointed that realize is that the dissenting opinion of Justice Sereno talked about the internal procedures. And that I think is a breath of fresh air because no one really knows how things are being done. And with that dissent, it is clear how the internal procedures.
Sir, so far, on track pa kayo dun sa self-imposed deadline before March 15?
Well, ganito, ang sinasabi ko even before, no? Kung ang pag-uusapan natin ay 8 artikulo, hindi po namin matatapos yung 8 artikulo by March 8. So we're thinking of dropping at this point now, yung pag-uusapan. So we may still be able to think sick, remember we're not expecting to end Article 3 yesterday. Kala namin Article 7 will start today. So being the day, that's an addition to the other articles. The same order. As mentioned, I think after Article 7 is Article 1, then Article 4. So Article 5, then 8, and then 6. I think there are witnesses of their nandun naman sa compliance na secretary and recall. Kaya nga yung article, ang tatanungin, natapos ba natin yung article 8 by March o yung last day of hearing before the congressional break, hindi po namin matatapos yung 8 article. So meron pa talagang ay magkakaroon ng impeachment trial pagkatapos po ng huling week dapat decide po sila dahil huling week yata is the first week or second week of April. So we can only issue after Easter Sunday if that is the decision of the impeachment tribunal. But if they want to exhaust the break, then baka pwede namin end of April or first week of April. I think the better person to ask that is Congressman.
Sir, may put down na
I don't think so because we've taken our claim in this process, we believe in this process. So hindi naman mag-walk out, tingin namin lack ng pagkakaroon po yan. At walang